Can I still recover my Snapchat account without the recovery code or my old phone?
Hello, Snapchat users. Today, we're going to delve into a common issue you may have faced or heard about: recovering your Snapchat account without the recovery code or your old phone. It might seem like a challenging task, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through it step by step.
Understanding the problem.
Firstly, it's important to clarify the issue we're tackling here. Snapchat, like many other apps, provides a recovery code that allows users to regain access to their accounts if they ever lose their devices or forget their passwords. However, if you've lost this recovery code and no longer have access to your old phone, recovering your Snapchat account might seem impossible. But rest assured, there is a way around it.
Using email or phone number.
The most straightforward method to recover your Snapchat account without your old phone or recovery code is by using the email address or phone number associated with your account. This process involves resetting your password, which we'll break down now. 1. Open the Snapchat app on a new device and click on Log In. 2. Enter your Snapchat username, then click on Forgot your password? 3. Choose to reset your password via either email or SMS. If you choose SMS, you'll need to have access to the phone number linked to your account. If you choose email, you'll need to have access to the email account associated with your Snapchat account. After completing these steps, Snapchat will send a password reset link to your chosen method. You can then follow this link and set a new password.
What if I don't have access to the email or phone number?
If you don't have access to the email or phone number associated with your Snapchat account, the situation becomes trickier. In this case, your best bet is to reach out to Snapchat support directly. Explain your situation, provide any relevant account information you do remember, and they may be able to help you recover your account. Keep in mind, however, that this is not a guaranteed solution, and the chances of successful recovery may be lower. Recovering your Snapchat account without a recovery code or your old phone can be a bit complicated, but it's certainly not impossible. Using the associated email address or phone number is the easiest method. If you lack access to these, reaching out to Snapchat support is your best alternative. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you're back to snapping and sharing soon.